welcome back to Gadget Saga. I am Nishant. This is Realme Buds Classic earphones, launched at the price of 399 rupees, and it is available in two variants, white and black. Let's check Realme Buds Classic highlights. Realme Buds Classic wired earphones with 14.2 mm larger audio drivers, deeper and richer bass, music and video playback control, answering calls and end calls, HD microphone, built-in cable organizer, tangle-free design bags. Let's unbox and check the content in the package. Realme Buds Classic earphones are in-ear design with a rounded shape. The design of the earphones allows them to sit comfortably in ear canals. This is 3.5 mm audio jack, compatible for all audio devices like mobiles, audio players, laptops and more. The material quality of the cable is better than expected. It is durable and reliable for daily use. The earphones have a single button remote which can be used to control the music and for answer the calls. The device also consists of an inline HDMI built-in cable organizer which keeps the earphones tangle-free. Classic earphones offer rich and deeper bass and clear vocals. This is the user manual. The box contains and technical specifications. In the product description, button functions are there. For single tap, play or pause the music or answer the calls. For double tap, change next track. Triple tap, previous track. For long press, if in a call, it will hang up or reject the call. If not in a call, wake up the phone voice assistants like Google Assistant or Siri. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.